Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete tagged posts on Facebook to manage your online presence and remove unwanted tags, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account using a web browser or the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture to access your timeline and profile page. Step 3. Click on Activity Log or tap the three-dot icon and select Activity Log from the menu. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click on Tags or Photos and Videos to filter posts where you have been tagged. Step 5. Browse through the list of tagged posts and locate the ones you want to remove from your timeline. Step 6. Click the three-dot icon next to the tagged post you want to delete. Step 7. Select Remove Tag to untag yourself from the post. Note that this removes the tag but does not delete the post itself from Facebook. Step 8. If you want to hide the post from your timeline, select Hide from Profile instead of removing the tag. Step 9. Confirm the action to complete the removal process. Step 10. Repeat these steps for any additional tagged posts you want to remove from your Facebook profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.